is the strain gauge circuit block allows you to measure stress and strain that is applied to a metal beam when it is flexed. Okay, proceed. The stress gauge is a transducer whose output resistance that is a function of the strain on the surface of object to which is attached. Okay. Now make sure there are no two-post connection in the artery gauge circuit block. Connect the ohmmeter as the transducer shown. Okay. Pass, bro. Connect these meter leads to the strain gauge. Should be above the ampere temperature. This is a positive. Okay, and negative should be in ground in this circuit block. Okay, proceed. The adjustment knob. This is called adjustment knob. Okay, rotating knob allows you to bend the beam upward or downward to create compression or tension respectively. Okay, proceed. Okay, what say in 20? Turn the knob fully counterclockwise and measure the strain gauge resistance. Okay, as you see, I am going to counterclockwise. Okay, to get the results. If are you checking also? Okay, this is a fully counterclockwise. When you fully counterclockwise, the result will be this one. Okay, 119.6. Okay, this is a result. Okay, you will calculate. Okay, proceed. Now again say, turn the knob fully clockwise and measure the resistance. Okay, I should clockwise here. Okay, rotate clockwise to find the another value. Okay, fully clockwise. Okay, so this is a 118.9. Okay, this is somehow here and there when you calculate. Okay, this will be the result. Proceed. Okay, the variable resistance in the capacitance sensor. This is another circuit block. The variable capacitance sensor is a circuit block connected to an RC oscillator or sometime called oscillator, whose output frequency is a function of the movable plate's position. Okay, movable plate's position. Okay, proceed. The block demonstrates how additional circuit will change from one transducer output. In this case, a variable capacitance converted to a variable frequency. Okay, what say insert a two-post connector in the enabler position means we have to fix an enabler in this circuit. Okay, where we have to fix? There is a block enabler. Where is a block enabler? We have to capacitance. Okay, we have to connect this one. Okay, proceed. Connect the oscilloscope CH1 to out and ground the probe to the GND jack. So this is called a oscilloscope. Okay, or oscilloscope sometime. Okay, what he said, you have to connect CH1. Okay, so this is a cable we have to connect in this oscilloscope and also to capacitance sensor. Okay, this is the connection we have to fix. What is say? CH1 to out. Okay, CH1. Okay, CH1 to out. Okay, for help of this pin, this is the pin for attaching, for fixing out. Okay, out. Okay, for this we have to connect this one out. Okay, and what again say? What say? And ground the probe to the GND jack. Okay, ground the probe to the GND jack. I show you. Okay, okay, now this is the ground. Okay, to the GND jack. Okay, what they say? And ground the probe to the GND jack. We need also another pin to fix in the ground. Okay, this is the ground we have to fix. Open this one and fix it here. Okay, now proceed. Adjust the scope control to view a square wave out from the capacitance sensor circuit block. As you know, nowadays the oscilloscope are the current are a new one. So there is a screen to show you the wave where is actually. Okay, but these are we have the helping software here to show you the graph. Which type of graph is show? I will show you. What they say? There is a adjust scope controller. Okay, I show you. Okay, okay, you see this is a scope control view software in which I show you the graph how the capacitance distance is increased. Okay, as distance increase. Okay, if you see here, if I want to say, if I increase the distance, you see this is the default the distance 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. These are distance from the plates position in the capacitance sensor. When I upward, when I go to upward, it means I increase the distance. When I increase the distance, what will happen? The capacitance distance will increase. I will show you. Okay. If you are see also on your screen also, if I move upward, that you see the distance will increase. You see, capacitance distance will increase. You see. Okay. What happened here? If you increase the distance, the capacitance distance automatically increase, means expand. Okay. Now as I bake the plate, what will be the happen? As I distance bake, reduce the distance, what will happen? Check your also the screen. Okay. As I decrease the distance. You see there also decrease. What decrease? I will show you. Okay. As you reduce the distance, the capacitance distance will also reduce. This is the function of this capacitance sensor.